Panda's ICAC Songkit is one of the crafts that are already familiar to our ears, because the process and the manufacture requires skilled touches of hands with patience that make strands of yarn to become songkit that is very beautiful and elegant. And our children of the Panda's ICAC Nagari are very proud and grateful for having inherited the values and culture contained and stored in the Panda's ICAC Songkit motif, which is full of meaning and deep philosophy, and we will always learn and try to keep trying to preserve the culture that has been inherited. And we also try to present the Songkit Panda's ICAC with the latest motives, because we are inspired by our forefathers, try to think and contemplate in the past without technological sophistication. They could present motives, beautiful motifs full of meaning and secrets, while we live in an era that is very sophisticated and modern. Why not try and learn to think and do for the preservation of Songkit Panda's ICAC? We apologize if there is a word defeat. Understand we are young people who are not yet a year old corn.